going to leave. If he leaves here, he's walking out. He's not going to leave until you release him. He's walking out of parliament.
Yes.
Chair, he cannot be allowed. He's doing the same thing with Patoy. You can't leave here. We are appearing before us.
Unfortunately, I made it
We don't
clear.
care about your flight.
Thank you.
You must be released here. You must be arrested. We'll open a case now.
Pardon?
We'll open a case now. This man must not be allowed to go out of this country.
I did not come here on a Sunday. I came here of my own free will, and I'm leaving your
Mr. O'Sullivan.
The question that I have for him is,
Mr. O'Sullivan.
he wanted, no, Chair.
Mr. O'Sullivan.
I told him. Chair, it's fine. Chair, it's, I think we've dealt with the question.
So yabona ke ukuthi umthetho wawakhelwa umuntu lophuyile. Into lebophana umthetho kahle kahle beka into lonto silonto lephuyile ihlale ngale kwetinsimbi kakhulu kade umuntu lomnyama. Bukana kokubashiya baphemile lokwemlungu. Wena bongasukuma la uhambe. Usukuma hamba umnyama kanje. Impela bo tawuthota lelimali.